Hey everyone, and today I'll be walking you through exactly how to get set up with a VPN, covering the best options out there, how the sign-up process works, the different trial periods you can use, and a few tips so you can get the most out of your subscription right away. And as always, you'll find any current discount links or coupons down in the description, so feel free to use those if you want to get the best deal possible. So when it comes to actually getting a VPN, it's a pretty straightforward process. All three of my top picks, ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark, make it really easy. All you need to do is choose the one you're interested in, click the link in the description to automatically apply any available discounts, and then just go through the purchase steps as you would with any regular subscription. After you finish signing up, you'll get an email right away with instructions for getting started. You can either follow those or just download the VPN app directly from their website or your device's app store. It's worth mentioning, you can technically download the app before subscribing, but it won't do much until you actually have an account. Now, if you're looking to try things out before you commit, there are some options here as well. Both ExpressVPN and Surfshark offer a 7-day free trial when you download the app on Android or iPhone. NordVPN also has a 7-day trial, but currently that's only available on Android. But even if you're not on mobile, all three of these VPNs include a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test things out on any device and get a full refund if you're not happy for any reason. Once you've got your VPN set up, actually using it is just as simple. You can download the app either from the website or straight from the link in your confirmation email. Now, each VPN's app will look a little different. ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark all have their own style. But the good news is they all make it really easy to connect to a server. So if you want to appear as if you're in the United States, for example, just pick that location and hit connect. The app handles everything else in the background. One of the main reasons people use a VPN is to access content that might be unavailable in their country. So if you want to watch American Netflix, Hulu, or HBO Max, just connect to a US server and you'll have access to the content libraries there. And beyond streaming, VPNs are great for keeping your online activity private, especially if you're doing any peer-to-peer file sharing. It's a simple way to keep what you do online hidden from your internet service provider, your government, or anyone else who might be monitoring your connection. Now, I often get questions about whether your VPN provider can see what you're doing online. Technically, any VPN could, but that's where logging policies come into play. ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark all have independently audited no-logs policies, which basically means they don't collect or store any details about your activity. In fact, ExpressVPN has gone through the highest number of third-party audits in the industry, and there was even a real-world case where one of their servers was seized by authorities and no user data was found. NordVPN and Surfshark have also had their policies confirmed by major auditors like Deloitte and PwC, so you're covered on the privacy front. In terms of features, all three of these VPNs offer a huge range of server locations. ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers across 105 countries, with support for up to 8 devices at the same time. NordVPN gives you more than 7,900 servers in 165 countries and supports up to 10 devices. Surfshark offers over 3,200 servers in 100 countries and actually lets you connect unlimited devices, which is a huge plus if you have a lot of phones, tablets, or computers you want to keep protected. Performance is another area where these VPNs really stand out. They're all among the fastest you can get, so streaming, gaming, or just browsing with your VPN turned on won't feel sluggish. ExpressVPN uses the lightweight protocol, NordVPN uses NordLynx, and Surfshark runs on WireGuard, each designed for speed and reliability. For payments, just a quick heads up. Using the discount links in the description will usually save you quite a bit on your subscription. Also, something to keep in mind is that monthly plans end up being more expensive over time, and most people end up using their VPN a lot longer than they think. So unless you're only planning to use it for a month, going with a longer-term plan is usually the better value. If you want more details about each VPN, you'll find full reviews linked in the description below, along with any updated discounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. I always enjoy getting to answer as many of those as I can. For updates or more tips on VPNs and online privacy, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. So hopefully you found this guide helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any other questions or need help, don't hesitate to drop those down below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.